From bumpers, to tires, to cabinets, we've got it all. Hey everyone, Andrew here from TRG. And today, I'm going to show you our new retail space here at TRG and let you know how you can get your own van outfitted with everything you see here. Here at TRG, we're known for our excellent mechanical work on sprinters and transits, but we wanted to bring more to the table for our customers. Now, you can have way more than just mechanical or ambient service done on your own van. We can offer installations on products like bumpers, tires, lights, pretty much any other accessory you could want. And the best part is you can view it all in the retail service center while you wait for your van to be worked on. Complete with brands like Backwoods Adventure Mods, Dometic, and many more, this retail space is a great place to hang out while your van is here being worked on, and an even better chance to find the true potential for your own rig with all these parts. Some of my favorite accessories that we offer here at TRG include our entire suite of Dometic products, including chairs, fridges, and water faucets, along with our S-Pod systems that help control lighting, air compressors, and any other accessories you install on the exterior of your van, and our entire suite of soft goods from bags, cabinets, window covers. The list of accessories we offer in this retail center are way too long for just one video, but you can check them all out for yourself on our website. Or come in and look for yourself. So don't hesitate to swing by and check out the new retail center. And in the meantime, if you have any questions on the products we offer here at TRG, feel free to give us a call. Until then, leave a comment on this video if you have any more questions, like this video if you liked it, and subscribe. And we'll see you next time.